Take your dog. Now ask an AI to make a video of your dog sprinting through a field. Easy, that works today. But now ask for your dog as a watercolor painting. Your dog molded out of clay. Your dog airbrushed onto the side of a yellow school bus. Same dog, wildly different world. That second part? Almost nobody can do it, until this paper. It's called DomainShuttle, and it doesn't just copy your dog into a video, it lets your dog act in any movie you want. Here's why it's hard. Old subject-driven video basically has two modes, and both break. Mode 1, paste the reference photo in like a sticker. The dog looks perfect, but you can't change a thing. Watercolor? Forget it. That's a stamp, not a transformation. Mode 2, actually try to transform it. And the second you do, the dog dissolves. Ears blur, colors shift, suddenly it's a stranger. You either get a perfect frozen copy, or a creative video of someone else's dog. There has been no middle ground. The authors had one of those ideas that feels obvious once you hear it. Stop treating these as the same problem. The subject, your dog's identity, its ears, its colors, its shape, that is one thing. The world around it, watercolor, clay, a bus, that is a completely different thing. Keep the actor, swap the movie set. A good method should shuttle freely between domains. In-domain, cross-domain, one model, no panic. So how does it actually work? 3 moves. Move 1. In every video model today, the reference photo and the video frames get mashed through the same brain. DomainShuttle splits them apart. It gives the subject its own private attention pathway, a dedicated director whose only job is to study the actor. Meanwhile, the video branch keeps doing what it's great at, generating the scene. And here's the magic knob. That subject director gets told the genre. Real human, real object, fantasy character. That single hint is what lets it change worlds later. Move 2 is sneakier. Every model uses something called positional encoding, basically an address book that tells tokens where they sit. The old approach stuffs your reference photos into the video's timeline like extra frames. But your dog's photos are not a movie. They have no order, so DomainShuttle gives them their own separate address book. 2 different actors, far apart. 5 photos of the same dog clustered together. Suddenly, the model actually understands. These are the same guy. Move 3 is the cleverest. Problem: models cheat. They memorize one photo instead of learning the actual subject. So DomainShuttle grabs 2 totally different photo sets of your dog, different angles, different lighting, runs both through the model at the exact same moment and says, your prediction has to match. One branch frozen, one learning. Now the model can't lean on any single photo's quirks. The only thing that survives both photo sets is the truth, the dog itself, not the snapshots. It learns identity, not artifacts. Does it work? Oh, it works. On the metric that actually measures this, how well a subject survives jumping into a new world, called CD score, DomainShuttle hit 0.861. That is 18.7% better than Kling 1.6, a closed giant, and over 54% better than the best open method out there. It trades maybe 1 or 2% of copy-paste fidelity for a massive new superpower. For anyone who actually wants to create, that is, a steal. And here's the part that sells it. All this machinery is baked in at training. At inference, you don't retrain a thing. You hand it a real photo, and you swap one knob, the domain attribute, to wherever you want to go. Real human in, fantasy character out. The kicker that took me a reread to fully get, that attribute describes where you're going, not where you started. You point at the destination. The model shuttles your subject there, same actor, brand new world. Keep the actor, change the world. That's DomainShuttle, and honestly, it's the most fun I've had with a video model in a while. If that landed, subscribe, because the next paper is going to melt your brain.